if you're a Northeastern student and you're only applying on Workday, I'm going to right now stop you right there because you're missing at least 40 to 50% of on-campus jobs. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly where to apply, where not to apply, and which jobs need proper paper format forms and which needs referral, and how students are still getting on-campus jobs even when intake is really low. This is 2026 reality, not any updated or old advice I'm giving you. This video is all for Northeastern students, international F1 students. So anyone who is confused why they're applying and what to hear back and where to apply, where to go and where to talk to and everything. So everything right here I'm sharing on the current students' experience and not assumptions. So first thing I'm going to tell you is a big truth. First, let me be clear. The biggest misconception is not everything comes on Workday. Some of the most student jobs are offline using paper forms or hire through referrals. If you only sit at home and apply online, you will think jobs doesn't exist, but they do. So very first example I can give you Cabot Case. Cabot Case doesn't come on Workday. They work on physical forms. These forms are usually given to existing student workers or ex-student employees who refer new students. If someone gives you a Cabot form, fill it immediately, don't wait. Then there's Wollaston. Wollaston also has a paper format. Sometimes they literally give you a stack of forms. You can fill one, submit, and then hiring happens in batches. Also, Wollaston need a referral format. If any student is working there, you can just go talk to Bob and he can refer you and you can get the job. Same thing is for Dunkins. You just walk in, ask the staff, fill the form. You can ask just this, like there are staff working there. You can ask them and you can just fill the form. There's one more bakery, Tate Bakery. So they generally don't hire from Workday. They will give you a form as well, or they have their own official website. From them they will hire you, or they will give you a call back, or referral also works there. Matthew Farina is closing or transitioning in something new. So as of now, there are no active jobs, but trust me, they might come in just 1 to 2 weeks. Jobs that do not come on Workday but with a catch. Now let's talk about how jobs that actually comes on Workday. These includes library roles, ITS, OGS, SFS assistants, office assistants, RA, TA, RSO and all that. So I'll tell you, Workday is actually not enough, but there are few jobs like RA and TA. They are actually posted on Workday, but they also need referrals, but they also need for you to go and talk to the professors. Many professors have grant projects, need short time help, and they never post online. They directly hire through student who email them. So if you're interested in research or TA roles, you must email professors, mention relevant coursework and say you're available for part-time, and they'll just hire you for 3 to 4 months or a semester. College of Engineering or for Kohli College of Computer Science. For Khoury College, the TA portal is very different. It's not on Workday. Some applications do come on Workday, but most of them you have your own dedicated portal. For RSO, there is a reality check I want to give you. It is a lottery system. There is no referral. There is no form. As this year in 2026, the intake is very low. 50% low students have been admitted here. So there is high probability that you all may get RSO job. Why some students still get job fast? So why do some students still get on campus quickly? Because they show up in person, they are flexible with early morning or late shifts, except 3 to 4 hours just to start, and stay connected even after a no. There should be visibility, timing and persistent beat every time you go and ask for an on-campus job. So this video is not promising you any job, but it will save you weeks of confusion, wasted applications and outdated advice. I am here just to help you out and share some of the students, because most people struggle simply because they don't know how hiring actually works. So in this video, I just wanted to tell you that just don't rely on things you have. like not just about Workday or AnyUtents. You should actually go and talk to people. There are a lot of places you can go and ask, and just show up, dress up nicely, wake up in the morning and just show up to this particular places. Get a resume with you, because you should have a proper resume for on campus jobs as well, not your resume of data scientist or SDE or all that. There should be a position of responsibility resume that they should read and they would feel like, yeah, she is, or he or she can work here. So it's all about, if you have anyone who is graduating and has a on-campus job, you can definitely go in touch with them and ask them about, are there any forms coming, or you refer me before you exit, can you refer me and give me your shifts and exits. This will actually help. Second thing is, if you have friends, especially for summer is coming here now, and in summer you all are allowed to work 40 hours a day, 40 hours a week. So that is the time friends might help you in referring, because in summer most of the students, they go for co-op and there is a lot of hiring going on, there is open in position. So that is the time this might help. You can right now only start going to Duncan, start going to Wollaston, ask for both the Wollastons. You can go to Cabot Cage, you can go to mail room, you can go to gaming room, you can go to library. There is a desk when you enter the library, there's a desk, you can go and talk there. The gaming room and the library decks, they both are arranged by only one person, so you can go there. If you get a job in gaming room, you can definitely start working there as well. And then there is RSO. Please do not miss RSO forms. RSO is very much important, and as this year intake is very low, definitely will get you. I hope this video helped you in getting some on-campus jobs opportunities. So I was just walking nearby and I had a friend who came here that, can you share some experience about on-campus job. I myself was never lucky to get an on-campus job. Maybe I didn't put that much efforts in finding it, but yeah, you all can try. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.